Today, I would like to introduce to you a battery, acupuncture, and extrusion integrated machine test equipment produced by our company in Taian, Guangdong. The equipment meets the relevant test standards such as National Standard 380,000, 313, 241, and IEC. The whole box is made of stainless steel for a cooling test. It can satisfy different types of batteries, energy storage, battery packs, and other related testing equipment with corresponding explosion-proof function, explosion-proof chain, smoke vents, pressure relief vents, and test lines at both ends. It is convenient for customers to introduce a power cord to charge the battery, a correlation test in the state of charge and discharge. This is an explosion-proof pressure port we just mentioned. It's mechanical. When a subtle test pressurization is reached in the box, the pressure relief door will automatically open, and smoke vents generates a lot of exhaust gas during sample manufacturing and testing. Waste smoke is discharged through relevant pipes. If it is not correct, it will not cause certain pollution to the environment. The company now has a large amount of stock. Welcome friends or dealers to come and carry out Shenkon related business. Thank you very much.